Hey guys, it's
Cassidy.
and it's Ruby, and today we're gonna be doing
Magic milk tricks.
Wait, what you want is some soap in a cup, 2 little toothpicks. You want some food coloring, and you want some milk, and you want 2 plates. So apparently, when we dip it in here and then get it on to all the other things, it will actually react and then spread out from the e-bud. Let's get started. So first we want to pour the milk.
You can use any type of milk. We have used fresh full cream milk.
And
Make
next
sure
we're
you've
gonna-
got adults' permission and supervision.
That's about it.
So now we're going to get these food coloring
And choose 2
and
colors.
dab it in the milk.
I'm gonna do red and green for Christmas colors.
I'm going to do some green.
And these ones go fast, so we gotta be careful.
Yeah, they're not like the squeezy bottles.
So I'm gonna use red first. Ooh, nice.
Whoa, that looks so cool, guys. Oh, look at this one. It looks like it's like fading out of the milk, like fire.
I like red a lot. So yeah, are you gonna use red?
Yes, I'm gonna use red.
Are you gonna use green too?
Yeah. Are you?
Christmas colors. Anyway, it's nearly Easter.
Yeah.
Easter's on Sunday. The holidays for kids. Oh, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. That's cool. I like that. Ooh, nice little twirly. Here we go. Here's the green and add it in the spots. Wow, that is a lot of red.
Whoa, guys, look at that. That is so cool.
I'm not gonna add that much, but I kind of want to add a lot. Because I really like the color black. I like a dark color.
Pen that didn't work anymore, and I swirled it around, and mine looks absolutely so cool. You can barely see any of the milk anymore. I added green, red, and black, and I've mixed mine to make like a violet purple kind of.
So I didn't mix mine too much, so they weren't the same. So mine's kind of like a Christmas color.
Now we are going to add the dish soap into the cup.
And there we go.
See? The magic works.
Whoa!
That looks so cool, guys. Now it just like looks steaming, bubbling.
Whoa. You do yours and then I'm going to do it again. I wonder what Cassidy's going to look like.
Yeah, I feel like mine's going to look
Oh,
really
that's
good.
kind of like a cheetah pattern.
Looks like the beach. Guys, if you come closer, you can see it looks like the beach on Ruby's. On the sides. Okay guys,
So dip
now
yours in.
I'm going to do mine. I am so excited to try it.
She got her soapy.
Okay guys, before I do this, make sure you go down and like this video and subscribe.
So put it right on that dot.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, mine didn't look as good.
It looked great still.
So we're gonna do mine again since the first time we did it, it didn't really work for mine. So here is the soap in the cup. Swirly, swirly. Now, for the final results. Let's see if it works now. Whoa! That looks so cool. This is a really fun experiment. You should definitely try this at home if you have all the stuff to make it and adult supervision. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you've made it to the end and you're watching this right now, make sure you go down and subscribe.